I've got quite a few of these Brussels plants that weren't even put out yet, and if you want to get Brussels by Christmas, you need to get your Brussels out before end of May. And these are those early half tall varieties. So we need to go outside, find somewhere to put them, and then protect them with some kind of netting, otherwise the cabbage white butterfly will basically destroy the lot. So I think we'll put them here. Just need to give this a bit of a dig over first, and then we can get a central row as Brussels and then cover it up with some kind of frame and net. Now we'll just get a bit of a rake. Now I'm just going to space these out equally before we start making the framework, which we'll be putting as net on. I've got some of these old metal pipes. They used to be part of an old bed, but I can use them now to hold the piping, which I'll be using to make this hoop tunnel. We also need to try and keep these poles at the same height. And this is just blue water piping, which we can use to create the arches for the net. I think that's close enough, so now we'll get these Brussels plants in. So we'll get these in as central as we can. I'd say it's about there. When we take these out, you plant them up to there, right up to that V, because Brussels are notorious for falling over if they're not firmed in properly. So we'll go right down with this. And we'll space them 15 inches apart. Right down and really firm it in. Take bottom leaves off that are yellowing. They're going to attract slugs and start your problems before it's even started growing. So now I'm just going to tie a cane across top to stop that net from sagging when I put it on, and also stop the frame moving side to side. Before we net it, I'm going to add a bit of fertiliser, fish blood and bone, around the base of these plants to give them a really good start. So there you go. It's not completely finished, because what we'll be doing later on is putting some little nails in here and threading bobbles through the edge of this net so we can pull it down and secure it all the way around. Now that's another job we've done that needed doing by end of this month, because as I say, if you don't get your Brussels in by the end of May, they won't be ready in time for Christmas. And those hoop tunnels aren't difficult to make, and I'll leave links in the description for the netting and the piping that I use as well. But once that's done, it will last years. And you know now that you've got protection from pigeons, cats, and more importantly, that white cabbage butterfly that if it gets on any of your brassicas will completely destroy them. Hope you found that video useful anyway, and if you want to see more videos like that through summer and autumn, just hit that subscribe button and press that notifications bell, and we'll see you next time. You all take care. Thank you.